Hi and welcome to another video on mbrTech YouTube channel. For today's review we have a $20 smartwatch from Alfawise. To find more about this smartwatch and its functions, watch the video and don't be afraid to share your opinion with me. Model on the test is Alfawise H19 in mirror black color. Enjoy! Let's start with the unboxing and see what is in the package. The packaging looks interesting. There are a few important things on the box that you will need later. As we open it, we can already see the smartwatch, but there are also some accessories. Here we have a charger. It looks unusual, but we will talk more about it later. Let's continue with our unboxing. Here we have a smartwatch and below it there is a user manual with all the instructions and information about this smartwatch. That's all, nothing special, but considering its price, we can't expect more, and most importantly, there's everything you will need. Let's get back to the smartwatch and take the screen protection layer off, so we can get a better view of our product. The design of this smartwatch have good and bad sides. It really looks and feels nice on the hands, but I'm not amazed by the finished quality. If you look closely around corners of the display, there's a rubber part that stands out and looks like it wasn't done properly. You can pay attention to the left top corner and see what am I talking about. You will notice this only if you look really closely. This smartwatch is IP67 certificated, and I guess this rubber part protects it against water, so I can forget about it. Overall, I'm satisfied with the design and materials, especially with this magnetic metal mesh band. I wouldn't complain to use it and combine it with my everyday outfit. I recommend you to charge it at the first and then turn it on and use. Let's do that. The charging process is not like for the most of the today devices, but I will show you the right way to do it. You can use any USB charger or port to charge it. The first step is to plug in the charger and then set the charging base on the smartwatch in the same position just like me, and charging will start. Don't place it in any different position if you don't want to have any problem with it. The fully charged battery should give you around 10 days of usage, which is great battery life. When we complete the charging and turn on the smartwatch, we need to connect it with our smartphone. Scan the QR code on the back of the package and to find and install the app for our smartwatch. Next step is to turn the Bluetooth on and open the app so we can connect them. After successful connection, we are ready to use it. Just after this, I got disappointed with the interface of this smartwatch. There's only one touch field on the bottom of the smartwatch and you will use it for all the interactions in the menu. There is no swipe left or right, only the one button, and on one tap it swipes across the menu, and on long tap it opens more options from the selected function. I would really like to have swipe to the left and the right option, but I guess I will have to get used to this. There are few interesting functions on this smartwatch, and most of them you can check and control from your smartphone. Heart rate function allows you to use the heart rate sensor located on the back of smartwatch and measure your heart rate. You can check and track heart rate, blood pressure and blood oxygen, even via your smartphone at any time. All these functions combined with location services from your device, steps counter and sleep monitor helps to use the different sport modes on your smartwatch and track your health and performance. When you are connected to the smartwatch app, you can enable notifications from your smartphone and take a big advantage of them. You can even control calls and messages. Also, all the updates for your smartwatch firmware are done through the app, and it is really simple and great. For the end, I will mention music and camera control options also. Also, I want to share my opinion about this display. It is good, not the brightest one, but it works well, and I think they could include the bigger one and really take advantage of the body. If you need even more info about this smartwatch, please check out the links in the description or ask me in the comment section. These are functions that I have used the most during my testing. This will be enough for this video. I'm satisfied with the overall product, especially if I consider the price of it. The design and quality are good. There are functions that will satisfy almost everyone. The user interface isn't the best, but it is not bad and the price is great. I recommend one, especially if you need it for your sport activities. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check the description and comment your opinion about it.